Looking for the best UV filter, 52mm, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best UV filter, 52mm, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. For photographers who want a reliable UV filter without breaking the bank, the Tronixpro 52mm Pro Series High-Resolution Digital Ultraviolet UV Protection Filter is a great choice. Its HD clear optical glass maintains natural color balance while protecting your front lens element from dust, scratches, and impact. The filter also reduces glare and ghosting, making it perfect for outdoor and bright shooting conditions. What's more, the included microfiber cloth is a nice bonus for cleaning your lens. With its durable design and high-quality materials, this filter is a solid option for anyone looking for a dependable UV filter. Number 4. The Urth 52mm UV lens filter is a powerhouse of protection and image quality. Its advanced lens protection features safeguard against scratches and environmental elements, while its 30-layer Coronano TM coating delivers exceptional clarity and true-to-life color. What's more, it effectively cuts haze, ensuring sharper, more accurate colors in your photos. Whether you're shooting in harsh conditions or want to add an extra layer of protection to your lens, this filter is the way to go. With its high-quality German Schott B270 glass, you can trust that your images will be nothing short of spectacular. Number 3. For photographers on the go, the K&F CONCEPT 52mm MCUV lens protection filter is a great option. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry around, while its dual functionality as a UV filter and a shield against dust and scratches gives you peace of mind. The import AGC glass ensures high-quality images, and the 18 multi-layer nanometer coatings reduce reflections and protect your lens. With its CNC non-slip design frame, installation and removal are a breeze. This filter is perfect for anyone who wants to protect their lens without weighing them down. Number 2. The K&F CONCEPT 52mm MCUV protection filter is a top-notch option for photographers who demand the best. Its dual functionality as a UV filter and a shield against dust and scratches makes it a must-have for anyone serious about their craft. What sets this filter apart is its premium optical glass, crafted with imported Japanese AGC glass, which guarantees razor-sharp imagery and preserves the authentic colors of your photos. The nanotech coating adds an extra layer of protection, minimizing reflections and providing true-to-life images. If you're looking for a filter that delivers, look no further than this one. Number 1. When it comes to versatile lens filters, the K&F CONCEPT 52mm UV/CPL/ND2-400 lens filters kit stands out for its comprehensive kit that includes a UV filter, a CPL polarizer filter, and a variable filter. This makes it perfect for professionals who want a one-stop solution for their photography needs. With its top-tier optical glass and 18 layers of nanometer coatings, you can expect impeccable image quality. Whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits, this kit has got you covered. With its sturdy hard-shell case and microfiber cleaning cloth, you can rest assured that your lenses are well protected. I'd say this kit is a game-changer for pros who want to elevate their photography skills. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.